Peanut, get your pumpkins. Come on and sit. Peanut, come on over here. Come on. Jamie, look. Ilea, look. Sit right here. And you can paint your pumpkin. Peanut, stay away from the paint. Come on. Peanut, just come and watch. Jamie, okay, Ilea, you can start painting your pumpkin.
I'm gonna go to the back.
Yeah, okay, right. Peanut, no. You do not have a pumpkin, Peanut. We're not letting you do that. All right, guys. What you got going on, huh? Boing. Let me see, Jamie. Ooh, Ilea. Purple and red. I'm not surprised. Ilea likes purple. Jamie likes red. Really not surprising. At the end of the day, we'll have painty pumpkins. Look at all those colors.
Yellow.
Yeah. Peanut wants to get close, but I don't want her to get to the pots of paint. Just in case. Right, P? She's like, oh, I'm gonna fuss a little bit. I want to be near the paint. Next year, P, you're just a little too little. Yep. Whoa, gotta grab Peanut. Whoa, okay. Oh, I hear the low rumble of a fuss. I've denied my pumpkin. Oh, now it's accelerating. She wants to have a pumpkin too. But Peanut, you know, I figured the pots might all end up all over everywhere if I bought one for you. So just watch Jamie and Ilea this year. Next year you get to do it, okay? Next year, P, when you're only 2, it's a little bit rough, you know. Because I don't think... Oh! Peanut went for the pot. Peanut, no! No, Peanut, no! Peanut, no! I'm going to have to put her in her stroller. Peanut, do I have to put you in your stroller? Or are you going to be able to stay away from the paint when Mommy says? Oh, I really want to, she said. I really want to. I want paint. Yeah, that's like... Okay, Net. She's like, you know, this is where younger siblings always have a hard time. I know, I'm a younger sibling, I know. Ooh, Jamie, that's really good, buddy. You drew a face on yours.
I'm doing a vampire.
Oh, let me see, hold on, let me come around and see you're a vampire. Oh, wow, that's so cute, Ilea. Ilea, move over so I can see it. Ilea, move your arm so I can see. That's really cute. It's a vampire. And Jamie D, he's got... What is that little guy? What's he got over his head?
It's a cat.
Oh, my goodness. Wow. That's really good, too, Jamie.
I'm trying to make a vampire.
Trying to make a vampire pumpkin. How Halloween-y, right?
Put it up on Halloween.
Yeah. We'll have to get our pumpkins, you know, somewhere where we can... Oh, and Peanut's like, I want a pumpkin. I'm so upset. I know, P. I know. Boing. You almost done?
All I need to do is do this back.
The last bit. You're gonna do just one little bit more.
And no, not the last.
Yeah.
Not the last.
Okay, Net, no. Man, you know, Peanut, no.